of the day. Train your mind to see good in everything. Positivity is a choice. The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thought. Train your mind to see good in everything. Positivity is a choice. The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thought. Once there was a king who loved sculpture very much. He used to collect sculpture from around the world and bring them to his palace. There was many sculptures in his palace, but among them all he loved three sculptures the most. Everyone knew that king had great affection for those sculptures. One day, a servant was cleaning sculpture. He accidentally broke one of his favorite sculpture. When king came to know about it, he got very angry and immediately gave death sentence to the servant. The servant, hearing this, immediately broke the other two sculptures. Everyone was surprised to see this. King asked, "Why did you break other two sculptures?" Servant said, "My lord, these were made of clay and very fragile. If not today, tomorrow they would have broken. If it had been broken by someone like me, then they also have to face death without any reason. So I saved the lives of two persons." Hearing this, king realized his mistake and freed the servant from punishment. The king understood that servant was many times better than him. It was the servant who, despite being so close to death, thought of goodness. So train your mind to see good in everything. Positivity is a choice. The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thought. Thank you. Have a great day.